In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count the number of records in Tableau, a task that can be easily accomplished in a few simple steps. Whether you're a beginner looking for guidance or someone seeking a refresher, this walkthrough will help you navigate through Tableau with ease. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to start by launching the Tableau application on your computer. Once the app is open, locate the specific worksheet that contains the data you want to analyze. Accessing your worksheet is merely a matter of selecting it from the dashboard or navigating your project until you find the correct one. Once you're in your worksheet, you have a few options to count records. The first method involves a straightforward process. Begin by dragging either the quantity or order fields to the text card. This action will immediately display a basic count of your records. Just like magic, Tableau does the calculation for you. Now, if you want to refine your data further, consider dragging the region field to the row shelf. This tweak allows you to break down the count of records by different regions, providing a more detailed view of your data distribution. But what if you want a bit more control or a custom solution? Enter the second option, which is creating a calculated field. To do this, click on the Analysis tab in the top menu. Here, you will want to choose the option to create a calculated field, and then you'll be prompted to name it. Let's go with Count of Records. Within this field, you'll input your query. Don't worry, once you're satisfied with your input, hit OK. Once you've created your calculated field, the next step is to drag it into the view. Doing this will apply your custom calculation directly to your worksheet, displaying the count as you've defined it. For those who desire even more specificity, there's a third option available. Again, create a calculated field by clicking on the Analysis menu. Only this time, let's name it Count Order ID. Enter your query, and after ensuring everything is just right, click OK. The final touch for this method is to drag your newly created calculated field into the Measure Values card. This action integrates your specific count into the broader landscape of your data, giving you a dynamic snapshot of your record totals. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effortlessly learned to count records in Tableau. Practice these techniques, and soon enough, they'll feel like second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.